Hi guys, I'm Keenan Crooner in Austin here, and today I'm gonna show you guys these Easter stuff that these Easter singing toys that they got in 2020. Look at those ones. Here are the Easter singing toys by Gemmy. Yep, these are the Easter singing toys that they got in 2020, and look at what they also got. They got the jelly bean spinner bunny. Look how cute is that? Here it is. And what else that they got there? And they got this, the side stepper bunny. Yep. And they got it at Target. Yep, it has it at Target. And they got this one at Walmart. And yep, they got this one at Walmart. And here's the egg drop bunny. And they also it also has this one at Walmart. And it has the farmer Snoopy, the farmer sidestepper Snoopy, and they got it at, I don't know. They got it at Publix. And they got the sidestepper Scooby-Doo with egg. Yep, same store. And they always got this chick at Big Lots. Yep, Big Lots. Singing and swaying baby chicks. Yep, that one's really cute. And here's a waving chick, and they got it at Target. And they always got the Kung Fu Bunny right here. They got it at Walmart. And it has the sidestepper Snoopy with bunny ears, and they got the dinosaur. Oh, look at this. It has the crazy egg drop Easter chicken. They got it at Walmart. So I'm also gonna look at Valentine's Day stuff. Valentine's Day. Yep, so here are the Valentine's Day stuff. They got it at 2020. Oh, look at that. Look at the kitty. That one's really cute. And they got this one at Big Lots. And they got the sidestepper Snoopy with heart. And they got this one at TJ Maxx. Oh, and they got the Flirty Flasher unicorn. And look, they got it at Walmart. Yep, they got it at Walmart. Oh, and they got the twerking llama. And they got this one at Walmart. Oh my gosh, look. It has the twerking T-Rex, and they got it at Walmart. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is one of my favorite ones. This is the ear-flapping nerdy beagle, and they got it at Publix. Oh my gosh, look at this. Swaying singing dog. This is one of my favorites as well. This one. They got it at CVS. That one's really cute. This is one of my favorite ones. What else do they have? Oh, and they got this one. They got the mustache wiggler. This one's really cute, and they got the horns. Like, they got horns on its head. Maybe it looks like it's a mustache. It has a mustache. That looks kind of funny looking. Oh, begging puppy. And this one's really cute as well. And they got this one at Big Lots. And what? Yeah, this one. It has this one at CVS and Publix. Oh, look at this. Here's the Happy Shuffle Hello Kitty. They got it at CVS as well, and they got the wings on its back. Oh, and the rest of them are just Christmas stuff. Like, are these 2019 or 2020? I don't know. I don't think so. Here we go. So that's what they got at Gemmy in 2020. So goodbye, guys, and have a great day.